This is my kitchen. My kitchen is like my little garden. Outdoor. Just strictly outdoor in a fresh environment. Welcome to my kitchen. My tiny kitchen. The birds them smell my beef what me cooking, organic beef with my beans them. So my fans, big up all the fans them worldwide. Philippine people, Asian people, American, Canadian, Europeans, Australian, wherever you're watching from. Big up Mary in Greece. Big up Meggie in Florida and all of my fans them, Africans them. Take a look now at my cooking. OMG. Whoa, look at the green onions. The onions. My, is this, oh my, the scent. Oh, wow. Can you smell it? I know you're smelling that on your phone or your television, what you're watching and watching from the tablets. Wow, my God, our computer. Bite this cat kitchen. Come on, Cecile, take a bite. Myla, you bite. Christ, stamina that no eat meat. We brother down at Texas. Stone breeze down at Africa. We know say that mash up this now. All them people down at Asia, India, Philippines, Indonesia. My, this is the real stuff. You see all them pigeon peas and the beans. Oh my, these are cooked now, you know. It's the curry gravy. Look at the juice. American people like enough gravy. With all these natural herbs, this gravy is extremely important because it's organic coconut oil I use. Strictly the organic. That look like jambalaya. Jambalaya. Cajun food. You can smell the garlic. All of the nice seasoning, you know, spices and herbs. Remember to tell your friends and family about my channel and share the video, you know, on your various social media. Big up Marshall Garden. Cat kitchen one day like one day you'll be here. Meg, you'll be here one day. Some of the other fans them, you know. Just cook up some food, you know, for all of my folks them. Yeah. But every time I cooking and smell my pot door, saliva come. Your saliva. You feel hungry, so you see good food, fans. You always feel hungry. Good food, I don't cut up my meat them big, you know, just like to them small. See all these very rich in protein. Beans, these are organic. I plant all of these. Garlic smell good. OMG, this is man. Remember to drop your comment, my fans. This is my channel, my way of cooking, my life. Jamaica to the world. One love, big up.